Today we're going to be looking at Xxii. Also, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my technical analysis. Okay, I'm not looking at any fundamentals, just levels I'm going to be drawing on my chart and what I think of that. Okay, so guys, please take everything I say with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice, okay? First, I'm going to start off drawing some low volume zones. As high as we can go on the time frame. We'll just do monthly though. This one's pretty good here. I like this. I like that low volume zone there. As you can see, price really doesn't hang out here long. Price hangs out here pretty good and here pretty good. Those are what we call high volume zones. And if we put on a volume profile, it'll show you that, right? And I didn't even look at the volume profile before that. You know, we can see we've got volume here. And we've got volume here, but we don't have much volume in this area, okay? So that's what you want to be looking for, is some low volume zones. That's just where we're going to start there, right? That's one that we found on the monthly, and there, as you can see, these are pretty, you know, these can get pretty big. I mean, if we look at the volume profile, see how the volume drop off? See that? So we can do that all day. Let's just go down to the daily and the more recent stuff. Okay. Look for some more low volume zones here. I want to say yeah, probably about there, because we can see price starts to get some volume and get sideways action here. So I want to say that, and essentially comes up and rejects there. So that's some good confirmation there. I've also got one kind of here. And we'll just do one more. I like that one a good much. And we'll try and verify that with the volume profile here. That's low volume, correct. That's also low volume. And this, not so much. We've got one particular area that's more low volume than the rest, which is right here. So let's look at what's going on there. But everything else seems pretty good there. We're going to leave everything else. Yeah, right here we got some good gaps here on the daily. See, there's a gap there. Yeah, it looks like gap down there as well. See. Okay, so short term, we can see we came up and we're rejecting off these volume imbalances. Let's take a trend here. Let me turn this volume profile off. So we still haven't broke the uptrend, right? That's pretty good. So there's still potential here. And if anything, if we hold this $5 level, that's really good, because we can see a double top around that $7 range. Or even if we break this uptrend here and hold the low volume area, then come back up to $7, I think that's also excellent. What I don't want to see, it break and then a quick flush down. If we start to see a quick flush down here, any kind of break around here in this low volume zone, then that's kind of when I would say it's over. Any kind of break here, and we'll get the flush, and we might get a hold around $3 to $3.50, but by then it's almost not going to be worth it as much. Yeah, that's what I think on Xxii, guys. See, also you can see increasing volume here on these two, so we've got some good levels $3 level. Should not fail that for the short term. Yeah, also this 450 level. So also remember, guys, it takes volume to break levels, right? So when you see this kind of increasing amount of volume here, if it's not a divergence, like if you see these two candles here, this increasing volume here from this candle is actually a divergence because we got the wick on the top. So that tells us that it's rejecting off a level here, right? It's rejecting off this level, this $4 level. But this increasing volume from here to here, it took volume to break through this $3 level, and it stayed and broke. So that'd be a good place to put a stop loss, is below $3 if we happen to get close to that, as well as here, 450. That'd be a good place to put a stop loss below 450. In the case that we get a bounce here, we come back down to this trend and enter here, you could put a candle close stop loss, something like that, below 450. So everything looks good. Still hasn't broken the trend yet, like I said, but I mean, that is a lot of selling at $7. So whether or not it comes back up and double tops, no clue. But this is the area to watch here. This $4 to $5 range. That's gonna be the area you're gonna want to watch. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually gonna add this to my watch list just because I like this play here. I like this 450 bounce. This 450 bounce play. And then if we flush, we flush, but this could be a good double top here. So I'm actually going to add that to my watch list now. And that's it, guys. All right. Have a good one.